Welcome everyone to SmallBiz Wiz, where business dreams take flight. Join me on a journey of entrepreneurial discovery as we unravel the secrets of small business success. From growth hacks and marketing mastery to financial wizardry and inspiring stories, my channel is your guide to navigating the world of small business like a true wizard. Get ready to conjure up innovation, cast spells of strategy, and enchant your way to prosperity. Subscribe now and become a small biz whiz yourself. It is August 26th, 2023, and I'm going to talk about navigating success, the small business journey. Small businesses are vitally important in the economy and local communities. In this video, I will highlight the crucial role that small businesses play in both the economy and in local communities. So for Area 1, let's talk about pillars of economic growth. Small businesses are the backbone of economic growth, providing employment opportunities, fostering innovation, and driving competition. I'm sure we can all think of many examples of successful small businesses that started modestly and have contributed significantly to economic development in our own towns. Small businesses are major contributors to job creation, particularly in local communities. There are many individuals who found meaningful employment through small businesses in their communities. I know from my past that I find that to be very true from my youth even. Small businesses contribute to the unique identity and character of local communities. Locally owned shops, restaurants, and services create a sense of place and foster community pride. I'm sure we can all think of examples of small businesses that have become staples in your neighborhoods, drawing residents and visitors alike. Spending at a small business circulates money within the local economy, creating a multiplier effect. There's a big contrast between spending at small businesses versus large corporations or chains. Small businesses often source products and services locally, further contributing to the local economy. Small businesses are often at the forefront of innovation, experimenting with new ideas and technologies. The diversity of small businesses contributes to a vibrant marketplace, offering unique products and services. I also want to highlight the resilience of small businesses, especially during challenging times such as economic downturns or crises. During COVID, we all heard heartwarming stories of communities rallying around their local businesses during that really difficult period. So I can't stress enough the importance of supporting local businesses, particularly in the face of competition from larger corporations. I encourage viewers to actively support and champion small businesses in your neighborhoods. Every time you support a small business, you're contributing to economic vitality and the unique character of your community. So now we've done a little overview. I want to talk about the entrepreneurial spirit. Successful small business owners possess a unique set of characteristics and a mindset that sets them apart in the entrepreneurial landscape. These qualities not only drive their ventures to thrive, but also inspire others to embark on the journey of entrepreneurship. Successful small business owners are visionaries. They have a clear and compelling vision of what their business could be and are unwaveringly committed to bringing that vision to life. Their persistence is evident in their ability to weather challenges, setbacks, and uncertainties while staying focused on their long-term goals. They're very adaptable and open-minded. Flexibility is the hallmark of successful small business owners. They understand that the business landscape is ever evolving, and they're willing to adapt to changing market trends, customer preferences, and technological advancements. I'd say their open-mindedness enables them to embrace new ideas, seek advice, and pivot when necessary. They're also extremely resilient and risk-tolerant. Small business owners encounter obstacles and failures, but what sets them apart is their resilience. They view challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. bouncing back stronger after setbacks. These individuals also have a healthy relationship with risk. While they make informed decisions, they are not afraid to take calculated risk to propel their business forward. Also, they are passionate and customer-centric. Passion fuels successful small business owners. They genuinely love what they do, and this enthusiasm is contagious, both among their teams and their customers. Moreover, they prioritize their customers' needs, aiming to create exceptional experiences that foster loyalty and repeat business. They're innovative and creative. Innovation is a driving force behind the success of small business owners. They're constantly seeking ways to improve their products, services, and processes. Whether it's finding a novel solution to a problem or discovering an untapped market niche, their creativity fuels their business's growth. They're also decisive and action-oriented. Effective decision-making is a defining trait of successful small business owners. They're adept at gathering information, analyzing options, and making timely decisions. Furthermore, they don't just plan, they execute. Their proactive approach translates ideas into action, driving progress and achieving tangible results. They're also resourceful and network savvy. Successful small business owners know how to make the most of their resources, whether financial, human, or technological. They're adept at finding cost-effective solutions and leveraging available assets. Additionally, they understand the power of networking and building relationships. They actively seek opportunities to connect with fellow entrepreneurs, potential customers, mentors, and industry experts. They're also long-term oriented and growth-minded. While small business owners often deal with day-to-day tasks, they have their sights set on the bigger picture. They prioritize sustainable growth over short-term gains, and they invest in strategies that ensure the long-term success of their ventures. Their growth mindset drives them to constantly seek learning, self-improvement, and innovation. So in summary, successful small business owners possess a blend of determination, adaptability, creativity, and a customer-centric approach. Their unique characteristics and mindset not only lead to business success, but also contribute to the broader entrepreneurial ecosystem by inspiring others to pursue their dreams and make a meaningful impact on their communities. So in this next section, let's talk about navigating challenges. Small business owners, while driven by passion and determination, often encounter a range of challenges that test their resilience and resourcefulness. These challenges can vary across industries and stages of business development, but they are universal experiences that shape the entrepreneurial journey. Let's talk about financial strain. Managing finances is a top challenge for many small business owners. Limited capital, irregular cash flow, and unexpected expenses can strain even the most well-thought-out budgets. Securing funding, whether through loans, investors, or personal savings, is a constant concern, especially during growth phases or economic downturns. Marketing and visibility. Small businesses often struggle to establish a strong online and offline presence amidst competition from larger corporations. Limited marketing budgets and resources can make it challenging to effectively reach their target audience, resulting in difficulties in attracting new customers and expanding their market share. Human resources. Hiring and retaining the right talent is a significant challenge. Small businesses can lack the resources to offer competitive salaries and benefits, making it challenging to attract skilled employees. Moreover, managing a small team requires multitasking and wearing multiple hats, which can stretch the capacity of business owners. Another challenge is time management. Small business owners frequently find themselves overwhelmed by the multitude of tasks and demand their attention. Balancing operational responsibilities, customer interactions, financial management, and strategic planning can lead to burnout and a lack of work-life balance. Also, there is regulatory and legal compliance. Navigating the complex landscape of regulations, permits, licenses, and legal requirements can be daunting. Compliance issues can result in fines, delays, and disruptions, diverting resources from business growth to bureaucratic challenges. Another challenge can be technology and innovation. Adapting to technological advancements and staying innovative can be challenging, especially for traditional businesses. Embracing new tools, software, and digital platforms requires time, resources, and a willingness to learn, yet it is essential to remain competitive in the digital age. Another challenge is customer acquisition and retention. Small businesses must continuously attract and retain customers to sustain growth. Fierce competition and changing customer preferences necessitate creative marketing strategies, exceptional customer service, and a deep understanding of the target market. There's also economic uncertainty. Economic fluctuations and external factors like pandemics or market disruptions can severely impact small businesses. The lack of a safety net that larger corporations may have makes small businesses vulnerable to sudden changes in the business environment. Scaling and expansion is another challenge. While growth is a goal, scaling a small business presents its own set of challenges. Maintaining quality control, hiring the right team members, and managing increased operational complexities demand careful planning and strategic decision making. And there's also work-life balance. The passion that drives small business owners can sometimes blur the lines between work and personal life. Striking a healthy balance between growing a business and taking care of yourself and loved ones is an ongoing challenge. In navigating these challenges, small business owners demonstrate their resilience, creativity, and determination. Addressing these hurdles requires a combination of strategic planning, seeking advice from mentors and experts, and a willingness to adapt to changing circumstances. So let's dive into one area specifically, and let's talk about marketing magic. Effective marketing is crucial for small businesses to stand out, attract customers, and foster growth. With limited resources compared to larger competitors, small businesses must focus on targeted and innovative strategies to maximize their impact. So here are a few essential marketing strategies tailored to the needs of small businesses. Number one is digital presence. Establishing a strong online presence is paramount in today's digital landscape. You have to create a user-friendly and visually appealing website that showcases your products or services. You have to utilize search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to improve your website's visibility in search engine results to increase your chances of being found by potential customers. Number two is social media engagement. You need to utilize social media platforms that align with your target audience. Regularly post engaging content, including product updates, behind the scenes glimpses, customer testimonials, and informative articles. You need to engage with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and fostering a sense of community. Number three is content marketing. To provide value to your audience by creating high-quality content such as blog posts, videos, infographics, and guides related to your industry. This not only showcases your expertise, but also helps establish your business as a trusted resource. Number four is email marketing. You need to build an email list and regularly send out newsletters or updates to keep your audience informed about new products, promotions, and industry insights. You want to personalize your emails and offer exclusive deals to incentivize engagement. Number 5 is local SEO and Google My Business. You want to optimize your online presence for local searches. Set up a Google My Business profile with accurate business information, photos, and customer reviews. This increases your visibility in local search results, making it easier for nearby customers to find you. Number 6 is networking and partnerships. You want to collaborate with other local businesses to cross-promote each other's products or services. You want to attend industry events, seminars, and networking gatherings to build relationships, establish your presence, and connect with potential customers. Number 7, customer reviews and testimonials. You want to encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, or social media. Positive feedback builds trust and credibility, attracting new customers who rely on each other's experiences. Number 8 is influencer collaborations. You want to partner with influencers or micro-influencers that are in your niche to reach a broader audience. Their endorsement can significantly impact your brand's visibility and credibility. Number 9 is loyalty programs. You want to implement a loyalty program or referral incentives to reward repeat customers and encourage them to refer others to your business. Word of mouth referrals can be one of the most effective forms of marketing. Number 10 is data analysis and adaptation. Regularly analyze your marketing efforts to understand what's working and what isn't. You can use tools like Google Analytics and social media insights to track user engagement, conversion rates, and other key metrics. You can adjust your strategies based on this data to optimize results over time. So by focusing on these marketing strategies, small businesses can maximize their visibility, engage their target audience, and ultimately drive growth in a competitive market. Flexibility, creativity, and a deep understanding of your customers' needs will be key to your success. Let's talk about thriving in today's landscape. The landscape of small businesses has undergone a significant transformation due to the rapid advancement of technology, the rise of e-commerce, and the evolving preferences of consumers. These changes have a profound impact on how small businesses operate, connect with customers, and navigate the modern marketplace. Let's talk about technology integration. Technology has become an integral part of small businesses, empowering them to streamline operations, enhance customer experiences, and make informed decisions. Cloud-based software solutions enable efficient inventory management, accounting, and communication. Point-of-sale systems and digital payment options provide convenience for both business owners and customers. Moreover, data analytics tools offer insights into customer behaviors and trends, which allow small businesses to tailor their strategies more efficiently. There's also the e-commerce revolution. E-commerce has reshaped the way small businesses reach and engage customers. Online marketplaces and dedicated websites allow businesses to expand their reach beyond geographical limitations, tapping into a global customer base. The convenience of online shopping has led to increased sales opportunities, but it also presents challenges such as standing out in a crowded digital marketplace and ensuring a seamless user experience. Also difficult. There's also changing consumer behaviors. Consumer behaviors have shifted due to technological advancements and changing lifestyle preferences. Customers now expect personalized experiences, swift response times, and seamless interactions across various touchpoints. Small businesses must adapt to these changing expectations by investing in responsive websites, social media engagement, and customer relationship management systems that foster better connections. There's also competition and innovation that needs to be thought about. Technology has lowered entry barriers, which allows more entrepreneurs to start small businesses. This proliferation of competition underscores the importance of innovation. Small businesses must continuously find new ways to differentiate themselves by offering unique products, services, or experience that resonate with consumers. There's also digital marketing dynamics. So, digital marketing has become a cornerstone of small business strategies. Social media platforms, search engine optimization, SEO, and online advertising enable targeted marketing efforts that can yield significant returns on investment. However, staying current with evolving digital marketing trends is essential to remain competitive. There's also operational flexibility. Technology enables small businesses to operate with increased flexibility. So you've got remote work arrangements, virtual customer support, and online collaborations that are just more viable. This flexibility allows small businesses to adapt to changing circumstances swiftly, whether it's responding to market shifts or accommodating the needs of a dispersed customer base. So, just to close this area out, the impact of technology, e-commerce, and shifting consumer behaviors on small businesses is profound. While these changes offer numerous opportunities for growth and innovation, they also present challenges that require adaptability and a proactive approach. Small businesses that embrace technology, leverage e-commerce platforms, and understand evolving consumer preferences are poised to thrive in the dynamic modern business landscape. Let's take a moment to talk about Etsy. So, Etsy has revolutionized the way small businesses connect with customers and showcase their unique products in a global audience. As an online marketplace specializing in handmade, vintage, and unique items, Etsy provides a platform where artisans, crafters, and entrepreneurs can establish their businesses and share their creations with a diverse and engaged community. One of the most compelling aspects of small businesses on Etsy is the opportunity for creators to turn their passions into profitable ventures. From handcrafted jewelry and personalized home decor to vintage clothing and digital art, Etsy accommodates a wide range of creative products. This allows small business owners to find their niche, express their creativity, and share their individual stories through their craft. Etsy provides a level playing field for small businesses by offering them a space to showcase their offerings alongside larger established brands. This allows small businesses to gain visibility and credibility, benefiting from Etsy's reputation as a platform that values quality, authenticity, and creativity. With minimal setup costs and access to a built-in customer base, small businesses can establish an online presence without the need for extensive technical expertise or large initial investments. The community aspect of Etsy further enhances the small business experience. Sellers can engage with customers directly, offering personalized services and building lasting relationships. Buyers often appreciate the opportunity to support independent artists and entrepreneurs, fostering a sense of connection that goes beyond a simple transaction. This community engagement and rapport can lead to repeat business, positive reviews, and word of mouth referrals, all of which are crucial for the growth of small businesses. So, just in conclusion, Etsy serves as a dynamic platform that empowers small businesses to share their creativity, passion, and products with a global audience. By providing a space where uniqueness is celebrated and community engagement is encouraged, Etsy has become a vital channel for artisans and entrepreneurs to transform their hobbies and crafts into successful ventures, while connecting with like-minded individuals who appreciate their work. So now let's shift and let's talk about some trends that are relevant to small businesses to think about. So first, e-commerce expansion. The pandemic accelerated the shift towards online shopping, and this trend continues. Small businesses are focusing on improving their online presence, enhancing user experiences, and offering convenient e-commerce options to cater to the growing number of digital consumers. Another trend is sustainability and social responsibility. Consumers are increasingly conscious of the environmental and social impacts of their purchases. Small businesses that emphasize sustainable practices, ethical sourcing, and community involvement stand out in the market. Also, flexible work arrangements. Remote work and flexible schedules have become more common. Small businesses are adapting by offering hybrid work options, which not only attract talent but also improve employee satisfaction and productivity. Digital marketing dominance is another trend. Small businesses are investing more in digital marketing strategies such as social media advertising, content marketing, and influencer collaborations to reach their target audiences effectively. Also another trend, personalization and customer experience. Customers expect personalized experiences. Small businesses are leveraging data analytics to understand their customers better and tailor their products, services, and marketing efforts accordingly. There is also contactless payment and technology adoption. Businesses are adopting contactless payment options and incorporating technology like QR codes for menus, order placements, and customer interactions to enhance safety and convenience. Another trend is diversification of income streams. Many small businesses are exploring multiple revenue streams to increase stability. This could include diversifying products or services, offering online courses, or monetizing expertise through consulting. Also, localized marketing. Hyper-local marketing strategies are gaining popularity by consumers as consumers show a preference for supporting local businesses. So small businesses are leveraging this sentiment to build strong community relationships. Another trend is a health and wellness focus. The pandemic highlighted the importance of health and wellness. Small businesses in the fitness, wellness, and healthy food sectors are thriving as consumers prioritize their well-being. Also, another trend is innovative payment solutions. So apart from traditional methods, small businesses are adopting digital wallets, cryptocurrencies, and alternative payment methods to cater to a broader range of customer preferences. Another big trend, subscription models. Subscription-based services offer predictable revenue and foster customer loyalty. Small businesses are offering subscription boxes, memberships, and exclusive content to attract recurring customers. Last trend, online learning and skill sharing. So the popularity of online courses and workshops continues to rise. Small businesses are capitalizing on this trend by sharing their expertise through digital platforms. There are numerous types of popular small businesses that cater to various industries and consumer needs. So the success of these businesses often depends on factors such as market demand, innovation, customer service, and effective marketing. So here are some types of popular small businesses. Number one, we've got e-commerce stores. So selling products online through various platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon has become a popular venture. E-commerce allows entrepreneurs to reach a global customer base without the need for a physical storefront. Another popular small business is food and beverage. Restaurants, cafes, food trucks, and specialty food shops continue to thrive. The rise of health-conscious eating also has led to popularity of organic or healthy food establishments. Number three is going to be consulting and coaching. So small business owners with expertise in areas like business, finance, marketing, health, and life coaching offer their services to help individuals and other businesses succeed. Number four is fitness and wellness. Gyms, yoga studios, personal training, wellness retreats, online fitness programs, they all cater to the growing demand for health and well-being. Number five is going to be online content creation. Blogging, vlogging, podcasting, and social media influencing have become viable small business avenues, especially for those with a niche and engaging content. Number six is handmade and handmade crafts. So we've got artisans, crafters, and creators that offer unique handmade products like jewelry, home decor, and clothing through online marketplaces and local markets. Next, we've got beauty and skincare. Beauty salons, spas, and skincare products have become a consistent demand as people continue to invest in self-care and appearance. There's also home improvement and maintenance. Services such as landscaping, painting, home renovation, and repairs cater to homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. Also, pet services, pet grooming, dog walking, pet sitting, and pet supply stores cater to the growing trend of pet ownership and pet care. Technology services, IT consulting, software development, app creation, and digital marketing services are in high demand as businesses seek to establish and improve their online presence. Education and tutoring. Offering tutoring services for academic subjects, standardized tests, music lessons, or language learning is a popular small business. Event planning. Planning weddings, parties, corporate events, and other special occasions requires organizational skills and attention to detail. There's also clothing and fashion. Boutiques, online clothing stores, and fashion design businesses cater to the ever-evolving trends and preferences of consumers. Real estate. Real estate agents, property management services, and vacation rentals are popular businesses in the housing market. Lastly, photography and videography. Capturing special moments through photography and videography services remains a sought-after business. So these are just a few examples of popular small business types. The key to success lies in identifying a market need, differentiating your business, providing excellent products or services, and effectively reaching your target audience through marketing and customer engagement. So now we're going to switch gears and we're going to talk a little bit about small business loans. Small business loans play a pivotal role in providing entrepreneurs with the necessary capital to start, grow, or sustain their ventures. These loans offer financial support for various needs, from launching a new product line to covering operational expenses during challenging times. So here are a few key aspects of small business loans. The types of small business loans. Small business loans come in various forms to cater to different needs. Some common types include long-term. Some common types include term loans, which are repaid over a specified period with interest, lines of credit, offering flexible access to funds. There's equipment loans dedicated to purchasing machinery or equipment, and SBA, Small Business Administration loans, which are government-backed loans with favorable terms for qualifying businesses. So funding for growth. Small business loans are often sought to fund expansion initiatives. Whether a business is looking to open a new location, increase inventory, or invest in marketing campaigns, loans provide the capital needed to seize growth opportunities. There's also startup financing. New entrepreneurs often face challenges when it comes to securing funds for startup costs. Small business loans can provide the necessary initial investment to cover expenses such as product development, marketing, and operational setup. There's also working capital support. Maintaining a healthy cash flow is vital for any business. Small business loans can bridge gaps in cash flows, ensuring that operational expenses, payroll, and other financial obligations are met even during slower revenue periods. Interest rates and terms. So, interest rates and terms for small business loans vary based on factors such as the lender, loan amount, credit worthiness, and the type of loan. So comparing options and understanding the associated cost is crucial before committing to any loan. And then there's the application and approval process. The application process for small business loans typically involves providing detailed financial information about the business, including revenue projections, credit history, and collateral. Lenders evaluate this information to assess the business's ability to repay the loan. The approval process can vary in length from a few days to several weeks. So let's talk about risk and reward. While small business loans offer access to capital, it's essential to assess the potential risks. Borrowers need to consider their ability to repay the loan, taking into account factors like revenue projections, business stability, and potential challenges that could impact their ability to meet loan obligations. So, building credit history. Successfully repaying a small business loan can contribute positively to a business's credit history, making it easier to secure financing in the future and potentially qualify for better terms. So just to summarize that, small business loans provide entrepreneurs with the means to secure the funding they need to achieve their business goals. Whether for startup costs, expansion, or operational support, these loans offer the financial boost necessary to turn business aspirations into realities. However, borrowers should carefully consider their needs, options, and repayment capabilities before committing to a loan. An SBA, Small Business Administration Loan, is a type of loan offered by the U.S. Small Business Administration, a federal agency dedicated to supporting and assisting small businesses. SBA loans are designed to provide small business owners with access to affordable financing, often with more favorable terms than traditional loans, which can be especially beneficial for businesses that might not meet the stringent requirements of conventional lending. So let's talk about the SBA loan more. One of the key features of SBA loans is that they are partially guaranteed by the SBA. So this guarantee minimizes the risk for lenders, making them more willing to extend credit to small businesses that might otherwise struggle to qualify. While the SBA does not directly lend money to businesses, it acts as a guarantor, promising to repay a certain portion of the loan if the borrower defaults. SBA loans come in various types, including 7A loans, CDC 505 loans, microloans, and disaster loans. The most common type is the 7A loan, which can be used for a wide range of business purposes, such as purchasing equipment, real estate, or inventory, as well as for working capital needs. CDC 504 loans are typically used for purchasing major fixed assets like real estate and equipment. Microloans are smaller loans provided by nonprofit organizations to help startups and small businesses with limited financing needs. Disaster loans are offered to businesses affected by natural disasters. So the application process for an SBA loan involves working with an approved SBA lender. While SBA loans are known for their relatively lenient terms and lower interest rates compared to conventional loans, they can still require a thorough application process. Business owners must provide financial statements, business plans, and demonstrate their ability to repay the loan. So overall, SBA loans are a valuable resource for small business owners looking to access capital to start, expand, or maintain their venture. The SBA's involvement mitigates the risk for lenders, making it possible for businesses with limited credit history or collateral to secure the funding they need to thrive and contribute to the economy. So let's talk about some benefits of SBA loans. Um, Firstly, there's favorable terms. SBA loans generally offer lower interest rates and longer repayment terms compared to traditional loans, which can ease the financial burden of small businesses. They also have lower down payments. Many SBA loans require lower down payments, freeing up more of the business's working capital for other operational needs. There's also flexible use of funds. So SBA loans can be used for a variety of business purposes, including working capital, equipment purchase, real estate acquisition, refinancing existing debt, and even startup costs. Okay, another benefit, access to capital. SBA loans provide access to capital for small businesses that might otherwise struggle to secure financing due to limited credit history, lack of collateral, and other traditional lending barriers. Another benefit is going to be it builds credit history. Successfully repaying an SBA loan can help small businesses establish and build a positive credit history, improving their future borrowing prospects. Last benefit is there are no prepayment penalties. Many SBA loans do not have prepayment penalties, allowing borrowers to repay their loan ahead of schedule without incurring additional fees. So now let's talk about the SBA loan application process. Selecting an SBA approved lender. Business owners interested in obtaining an SBA loan need to find an SBA approved lender. These can include banks, credit unions, and some online lenders. You're going to need to gather documentation. The application process typically requires providing detailed financial records, business plans, projections, and other documentation that demonstrates the business's ability to repay the loan. You'll need to complete the application. So the business owner works with the lender to complete the SBA loan application, which includes information about the business, its owners, and how the loan proceeds will be used. Next, there is the lender evaluation. The lender evaluates the application and determines if the business qualifies for an SBA loan. The SBA's guarantee may make lenders more willing to extend credit to businesses that wouldn't meet their traditional lending criteria. And then there's SBA review. After the lender's evaluation, the application is submitted to the SBA for review. The SBA verifies that the business and the loan request meet its eligibility criteria. Then lastly, there is the approval and disbursement. Once the SBA approves the loan, the funds are dispersed to the business. The business then repays the loan according to the terms agreed upon with the lender. So just a quick little bit about SBA loan eligibility. While SBA loan eligibility criteria can vary depending on the specific loan program, some common factors considered include the business's size, type, industry, financial stability, credit history, and the purpose of the loan. SBA loans are a valuable resource for small businesses seeking affordable financing options to achieve their goals. By providing a safety net for lenders and offering attractive terms for borrowers, SBA loans contribute to the growth and success of small businesses, which are essential to the economy's vitality and diversity. So let's go back really quick to the types of SBA loans. So there's the 7A loan program. This is the most common SBA loan type. It provides funding for various purposes, including working capital, purchasing equipment, expanding operations, and refinancing debt. Loan amounts can range up to $5 million, and terms vary based on the use of the funds. Then we've got the CDC 504 loan program. This program is designed for businesses looking to acquire major fixed assets, such as real estate and equipment. It involves collaboration between the business owner, a certified development company, CDC, and a lender. So the CDC 504 loans typically offer long repayment terms and low down payments. There's also the microloan program. Microloans are smaller loans offered by nonprofit organizations to startups and small businesses. These loans are often used for working capital, inventory, equipment, and other needs. So microloan amounts usually range from a few $1,000s to $50,000. And then lastly, we've got the SBA disaster loans. In response to natural disasters, the SBA offers disaster loans to businesses and homeowners affected by these events. These loans provide financial assistance for repairing or replacing damaged property and assets. So, additional advantages of SBA loans, so you've got collateral flexibility. SBA loans often require less collateral than traditional loans, making them more accessible for businesses with limited assets to pledge as security. So another advantage is going to be for startups and new ventures. SBA loans can be obtained by startups and businesses with limited operating history. The SBA's guarantee provides lenders with the confidence to extend credit to newer businesses. Also, job creation and economic impact. SBA loans contribute to job creation and economic growth by empowering small businesses to expand, hire employees, and stimulate local economies. And then there's the factor of community impact. SBA loans often benefit underserved communities and minority-owned businesses, promoting diversity and economic development. There's also technical assistance. So the SBA offers counseling and training through small business development centers, SBDCs, and SCORE chapters. These resources help businesses with business planning, financial management, marketing, and more. So there's also a benefit for veterans and military spouses. The SBA provides specific loan programs tailored to veterans, active duty military members, and their spouses, offering additional financial support and incentives. Exporting support. So some SBA loan programs, such as the Export Working Capital Program, assist businesses in expanding their international operations by providing funding for export-related activities. There's also a benefit for refinancing existing debt. SBA loans can be used to refinance existing business debt, potentially resulting in lower interest rates and improved cash flow. So SBA loans have become an essential lifeline for countless small businesses across various industries, offering accessible and affordable financing options that drive entrepreneurship, job creation, and economic development. While they involve a detailed application process and specific eligibility criteria, the benefits that they provide to small business owners can be transformative, helping businesses to achieve their aspirations and contribute to the broader economic landscape. And now I want to talk a little bit about small business insurance. Not a topic that many people always think about right away, but still essential. So small business insurance is a critical component of protecting the interests and assets of entrepreneurs and business owners. It provides financial coverage and peace of mind against a variety of risks and unexpected events that could otherwise jeopardize the stability and continuity of a small business. So here are some key aspects of small business insurance. Let's talk about the types of small business insurance. So there's general liability insurance. This funding coverage protects against lawsuits and claims related to third-party bodily injury, property damage, and advertising mistakes. It's a foundational policy for businesses that interact with customers, vendors, or the public. Then there's property insurance. So property insurance safeguards physical assets such as buildings, equipment, inventory, and furniture against damage or loss due to events like fire, theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. There's also business interruption insurance. So this coverage helps replace lost income and covers ongoing expenses if a covered event, such as a fire or a natural disaster, forces the business to suspend operations temporarily. There's also professional liability. It's just errors and omissions insurance. So particularly relevant for service-based businesses, this insurance protects against claims of negligence, errors, or mistakes in professional services provided to clients. And a popular one many know about is workers' compensation insurance. It's mandatory in many states. Workers' compensation provides coverage for medical expenses and lost wages if employees are injured or become ill while performing job-related tasks. There's also cyber liability insurance. With the increasing reliance on technology, this insurance safeguards against data breaches, cyber attacks, and the financial and reputational damage that can result from such incidents. So let's talk about the benefits of small business insurance. Number one, risk mitigation. Small business insurance helps mitigate financial risks associated with accidents, lawsuits, property damage, and unforeseen events. Without insurance, a single incident could have catastrophic financial consequences. Legal compliance. Certain types of insurance, like workers' compensation, are legally required in many jurisdictions. Complying with these regulations is essential to avoid penalties and legal liabilities. Business continuity. In the event of a disaster or unexpected event, insurance coverage helps that a business can recover and continue its operations without excessive financial strain. Protecting assets. Small businesses invest considerable resources in equipment, inventory, and property. Insurance safeguards these assets from damage or loss, reducing the impact of the business's financial stability. Professional reputation. So professional liability insurance protects a business's reputation by covering legal expenses if a client alleges negligence or errors in the services provided. Another benefit is peace of mind. Knowing that the business is protected by insurance provides owners, employees, and stakeholders with peace of mind, allowing them to focus on business operations and growth. Small business insurance policies can be tailored to the specific needs and risks of each business. So business owners should assess their operations, potential liabilities, and industry regulations to determine the appropriate types and levels of coverage. Consulting with insurance professionals or brokers can help navigate the complexities of insurance options and ensure comprehensive coverage and protection. So let's talk about customized coverage. One of the significant advantages of small business insurance is its flexibility. Policies can be customized to suit the unique needs of each business. Whether it's a home-based startup, a retail store, a tech company, or a consultancy, insurance can be tailored to address specific risks associated with the industry and operations. There's also liability protection. Liability risks are inherent to business operations. Accidents, injuries, property damage, or legal disputes can arise unexpectedly. General liability insurance provides coverage against claims and legal expenses, ensuring that businesses are financially protected even in the face of unforeseen circumstances. Contract requirements. So many clients and partners require businesses to have certain types of insurance before entering into contracts or partnerships. Professional liability insurance, for instance, is often mandated by clients to ensure that they are protected in case of errors or negligence in the services provided. There's also employee well-being.
Workers' compensation insurance not only protects businesses from potential lawsuits, but also demonstrates a commitment to employee well-being. By providing coverage for workplace injuries and illnesses, businesses foster a safer and more secure work environment. Property protection. So, property insurance covers not only physical assets but also business interruptions. In the event of a fire, flood, or other disaster, this coverage ensures that repairs can be made and business operations can resume without undue financial strain. There's also litigation costs. So legal battles, whether legitimate or frivolous, can be financially crippling for small businesses. The costs associated with hiring attorneys and managing legal proceedings can quickly add up. Liability insurance helps cover these costs, allowing businesses to defend themselves without draining resources. Cybersecurity risks. In an era of increased digitalization, cyber attacks and data breaches pose significant threats to businesses of all sizes. Cyber liability insurance helps manage the financial consequences of such incidents, including legal fees, customer notifications, and potential lawsuits. Market credibility. Having appropriate insurance coverage enhances a business's credibility in the eyes of the clients, partners, and customers. It signals that the business is prepared to handle unforeseen events and prioritize risk management. So, risk management. While obtaining insurance, businesses often go through a risk assessment process with insurers. This process can help businesses identify potential vulnerabilities and take proactive steps to mitigate risks before they lead to costly incidents. So just to wrap this up, small business insurance is a strategic investment that safeguards a business's financial well-being, reputation, and operations. While the cost of insurance premiums is a consideration, it pales in comparison to the potential financial devastation that a business might face without proper coverage. By choosing the right types of insurance and working with knowledgeable insurance professionals, small business owners can navigate the complex landscape of risks and uncertainties with greater confidence. Let's explore more aspects of small business insurance. There's lender requirements. So when seeking financing or loans for your small business, lenders may require you to have certain types of insurance. This is especially common for loans related to property or equipment. Lenders want to ensure that their investment is protected in case of damage or loss to the assets being financed. Also, employee recruitment and retention. Offering comprehensive insurance packages, including health insurance and other benefits, can be a crucial factor in attracting and retaining top talent. Employees often consider insurance benefits as a significant part of their overall compensation package. International operations. If your business operates internationally, you might need specialized insurance coverage to account for the risks associated with different legal systems, regulations, and business practices in other countries. Also, changing regulations. Industries are subject to evolving regulations that can impact the insurance needs of your business. Staying up to date with regulatory changes and adjusting your insurance coverage accordingly helps ensure compliance and adequate protection. Risk management strategies. So, obtaining insurance encourages businesses to engage in risk management practices. Businesses with insurance often have incentives to implement safety protocols, invest in employee training, and take measures to prevent incidents, reducing the likelihood of insurance claims. Coverage limits and deductibles. Business owners should carefully review policy coverage limits and deductibles to ensure that they have a clear understanding of what is covered and the financial responsibility they would have in the case of a claim. Policy bundling. So many insurance providers offer the option to bundle different types of coverage into a single policy, often resulting in cost savings. Bundling can also simplify the insurance management process for small business owners. Annual reviews. Businesses need
Business needs and operations can change over time. So, regularly reviewing insurance coverage with your insurance provider ensures that your policies remain aligned with your current risk profile and business objectives. And professional guidance. So, navigating the complexities of insurance can be challenging, especially for small business owners focused on day to day operations. Working with an insurance broker or agent can provide expert guidance in assessing your insurance needs and identifying the right coverage options. In the ever changing landscape of business risks, having comprehensive insurance coverage is a strategic move that contributes to a business's long term stability and success. By being proactive in understanding risks, assessing coverage needs, and collaborating with knowledgeable insurance professionals, small business owners can effectively manage uncertainties and focus on what they do best, growing their businesses. So, look in future videos for me to talk about small business credit cards. I've got some great information to share on that. I know this was a lot as a first overview, but I hope it's helpful as you get started on thinking about becoming a small business and this journey. I really think that small businesses have been such a big part of my own personal journey growing up, and I seek them out in my own hometown and when I go and visit new places and travel. I think all of us can appreciate the entrepreneurial spirit, and so I appreciate yours as well. Thank you for watching SmallBiz Wiz today, August 26th, 2023, where business dreams take flight. Please join me on a journey of entrepreneurial discovery as we unravel the secrets of small business success. From growth hacks and marketing mastery to financial wizardry and inspiring stories, my channel is your guide to navigating the world of small business like a true wizard. Get ready to conjure up innovation, cast spells of strategy, and enchant your way to prosperity. Subscribe now and become a small biz whiz yourself. Thank you so much, everybody.